In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Cloudflare Pages site. By the end, you'll have a site that automatically builds and deploys from your code repository, with minimal setup and a fast global edge network behind it. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard. Make sure you're in the right account if you manage more than one, since your new project will live under the account you see at the top of the dashboard. It helps to have your website's code already in a GitHub or GitLab repository, even if it's a simple static site or a framework app. From the left sidebar, open Workers and Pages. This is the home for both serverless functions and static site hosting on Cloudflare, and it's where Pages projects are created and managed. Choose Create Application, then switch to the Pages tab. You'll see options for building a site. Pages focuses on connecting your code and deploying it automatically. Select Import an existing Git repository. This tells Cloudflare to pull your site's code directly from your Git provider and set up continuous deployment, so future commits can trigger new builds without manual uploads. Pick GitHub or GitLab and authorize Cloudflare to access your repositories. During authorization, you can limit the scope to only the repositories you plan to use, which is a good practice. If your code lives under an organization, make sure the organization approves access as well. Cloudflare uses this connection to read your code for builds. You can change or revoke it later from your Git provider's settings. Now choose the repository that contains your site's code. Confirm you're selecting the correct repo and branch you want to deploy. At this point, Cloudflare typically detects popular frameworks and suggests a build command and output directory. Review those settings and keep the defaults if they match your project. If your site is plain HTML, you won't need a build command, and the output can simply be your project's public folder. You'll also see optional fields for environment variables and advanced settings. Only adjust them if your build requires it. Once everything looks right, click Save and Deploy. Cloudflare will create the project, start the first build, and deploy it to a pages.dev URL. You can watch the build logs to confirm dependencies install and the site is generated. When it finishes, your site is live, and every new commit to the connected branch will trigger an automatic deployment. That's it. Your Cloudflare Pages site is up and running with a clean, repeatable workflow tied to your repository.